Excel Naive, Excel Intermediate, and Excel Legend. If we want to replicate these numbers here, a Naive will write 5. Time wasting. And an intermediate will use copy and paste. Control C, Control V. The legend is lazy and experienced at the same time. The legend will use a formula. The legend also is acquainted with function and identifies the pattern. Sequence, click tab. Now here we want to move 4 rows down, no columns. We want to start with 5 and we want to move with steps of 5 again, intervals of 5. And the legend will get it that way. Let us now shift gears to addition operation. Excel Naive will say, oh, just adding, simple. Start typing 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20. And they get their answer, okay? Excel Intermediates, they are advanced, and instead of hard coding the values, they will start referencing the cells. Alright. And they also get the value, and they also recognize that they can select the range and come at the status bar here. You see, they click on that to copy to the clipboard, and then they Control V to paste there. Okay, will come recognize that Excel functions are the real deal, so they will use the sum function. Alright. They can use the sum function to do this. And they can select the first cell and use the hashtag select everything within the range, and they will still get the answer, right? Yet, the legends can also be lazy in a positive way. While hovering on top of that cell, they just click Alt plus equal sign, and within a split second, they got it. You see, now to do average, add all the values, then you divide by the value count. Naive ones, they will say, okay, 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20, close the bracket. They know that you have to divide that by 4, the number of values. And they get their answer, okay? Excel Intermediate are a little bit advanced. And instead of hard coding the values, they reference the cells. Okay, they close the bracket and then they divide by 4, the value count, and they get their answer. Alternatively, the intermediates also recognize that they can select the range and then they come to average. You see this? Let me expand it like that. You see this? They click on it to copy to the clipboard, and they come back here and Control V to paste it. And now let's see what the legends will do. The legends like using Excel functions, and they can just click the first cell there and give the hashtag to complete selection of the range, and they get the same answer. Alright, I know your brain cells are working. There's a problem here. Why is it 13 and this one is 12.5 for the intermediate, and the legends it's 12.5? So Excel Naive will scratch their heads when they see this and do nothing about it. Intermediates might try and do something and go to the Home tab, to the formatting section here, and they can come here to increase decimal place by 1, and they rectify it. You see, they're doing something. Control Z to go back. But now the legends understand by experience that they can click the shortcut Control plus 1, and this one pops up. Under the number category, they can come to increase the number of decimal places, and they click enter. Alright, legends are legendary. And now I want to give you a bonus as we finish off this video. You may have noticed that we began with count, and then we came to addition, and then we finished with average. If I want to switch to bring addition here and average here, Excel Naive will come to the View tab, and they will show the headings. After doing that, they will come here and click to select that row. And they will right click it to insert a new row. Then they will try to manually type addition. Yes. And then they will come and delete this one. That is naive. Excel Intermediate might want to come and just select that cell, and then they can click Shift plus space to select that row. And then to add a new row, they can click Ctrl Shift plus to get that row. And unlike the naive ones, Excel Intermediate will come and Ctrl X. Then they come here and Control V. You see, they have really tried. But what about Legends? Legends will simply click that cell and then while holding Shift key, they come to the very edge there. And if they are using mouse, they can left click it and they drag and drop it there. In case they do not have mouse and they're using laptop only, Legends will also hold down the Shift key, come to the edge there. They double click on this space where the finger works. Double click and drag it and they achieve the same thing. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this video just like I have enjoyed creating it. Kindly like it because YouTube algorithm kind of likes it that way. And if you're not yet part of the family, subscribe the channel and I will see you in the next video.